Hi, I'm Dylan, and we are the official importers of Launch diagnostic tools and equipment in South Africa. We will be releasing a series of educational videos related to the products we offer. These will vary from unboxing, features and functions, advanced coding and programming, and we will even be visiting workshops to cover real diagnostic scenarios from basic to professional, as well as testing other awesome Launch products. So join us on this exciting journey where we share our decades of experience in order to assist you in either the use or the purchase of a vehicle diagnostic tool. Today we are unboxing the latest Launch X431 Pro version 4. This is the 4th generation in the Pro series and is the best-selling range in South Africa when it comes to a complete diagnostic solution. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Firstly, comes in a nice rugged protective carry case. Inside we have our diagnostic tablet. This is dust, water, shock and oil resistant, which is necessary in a workshop environment. It has a USB-C charge port for fast charging, a rear-facing camera and a power button on the side. On the top you will see your 16-pin OBD2 vehicle communication interface adapter. This is what communicates between the vehicle and the tablet via Bluetooth. It's neatly stored in the tablet and you just push it down to release it and push it back in to store it. We have our packing list and registration envelope. This is needed to activate the device. We'll be doing an in-depth video on how to register, update and download the vehicle manufacturers in a future video. At the bottom you will see a total of 26 adapters used for pre-OBD2 vehicles, which are mostly used on vehicle manufacturers before 2001. The most common ones are your BMW 20-pin adapter and your Mercedes 38-pin adapter. For OBD2 vehicles you will need to use the OBD1 to OBD2 adapter. It plugs into the OBD2 VCR and connects to the OBD plug to allow wireless communication. You also get a USB-C charging cable and 2-pin adapter, an extension cable to minimize the risk of losing or breaking your Bluetooth connector. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next Pro version 4 video where we will be booting up the tool and running through the activation procedures. So make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our next video.